Good morning to all. Today I am going to tell about how to use possessing verbs in communication skill and its usage and its importance of the possessing verbs. Last class we have discussed about B-form verbs. Today we are going to discuss about possessing verbs. The possessing verbs are three, that is have, has, had. The possessing verbs we can use main verb or auxiliary verb. We can use as main verb, we can use as auxiliary verb. So how can we use main verb? For example, have a book, have a pencil. నేను ఒక పుస్తకాన్ని కలిగి ఉన్నాను, నేను పెన్సిల్ని కలిగి ఉన్నాను. That is, we can use have is possessing verb. She has a child. ఆమె ఒక చైల్డ్ కలిగి ఉంది. He has a book. It has a tail. ఇలాగా మనం ఒక మెయిన్ వెర్బ్గా అవి యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. అలాగే had. I had pencil, I had pen. ఇలాగా దీన్ని మనం వాడతాం.